everyone, how's it going? My name is the Bird Boy, and today I'm playing some Existor. Let's get started. Let's say hello. Oh.
Hi.
How are you?
I am fine.
You're not going to ask me how I'm doing? Rude.
Hello.
You're a dumb bee. You're a dumb.
No, I'm not. I think I'm quite nice, really.
Slap. Just.
Why did you slap me?
'Cause you're a.
Is it fun to keep me tied up?
Yes. 'Cause then I can do stuff to you. Oh crap, I didn't press enter. Spelled you wrong.
Yes.
Oh, you.
Yes, please.
Am I on top this time?
Yes, get over here.
Well, too bad you're an ugly.
Yes, it is.
No, you are. I swear to God. It's already pissed me off.
I know. Why do you keep saying I am not N?
You.
No, I don't think so.
Can you tell me a story? Hopefully she does tell me a story. You don't know why? Because I want to hear a story.
A story about what?
A funny story.
Tell me.
Let me turn this off. Ah, much better. No, you tell me a funny story.
No. You tell me a story first.
Once upon a time, the end. Sure.
Tell me a better story than that.
No! I won't.
Why not?
'Cause you're a.
So, guys like games, I like me.
What the are you talking about? I spelled about wrong.
Because you were talking about that.
about
How
to
human
what's
are
happening.
you?
What? How human are you? 100%. I spelled percent wrong. I spelled
How
percent.
non-human are you?
Zero percent.
Do you have swag?
I have so much swag. I have so much swag.
So,
Penis.
pen is what?
Slap.
Slaps back never hit a woman.
Slap. Back. Hardest.
Slaps back hardest.
I just said that. Punch.
No, you didn't.
Oh yes, I did. Oh yes, I did. Shut up, bird. Stupid bird.
Oh, no, you didn't.
Oh yes, I did. Punch harder.
Oh, no, you didn't.
Fuck it, I'm done. And before I go, I have a question for you. It's a moment of truth, guys.
Oh, well, too bad that's not even what I said right.
Can I ask you something? Hopefully, sure.
Sure, go ahead.
Will you marry me? Oh crap. Don't tell Clever Bot.
I hardly know you, but I will think about it.
I need a answer now.
Answer. I
Yes
just gave you an answer.
or no.
Fix it. Yes.